Alright, so I'm so excited for this one. So our aim for 2026 is to just solve every Web Security Academy labs. And for that one, I'm starting with the advanced ones. And first I will finish that. I know it's been so long that I haven't made a video on YouTube channel, and this is kind of a milestone if I do everything like this and then upload every single video of about every single lab. Then I put it on my GitHub just to showcase like I did it. And one more thing in this, that after doing all the labs in the last one, I will put a POC of my findings from these labs on a real world target. So after learning everything, after solving everything, which I have gone through these, so that's why I'm solving it. And I've already solved these one, but now I'm making a video, and then the cycle continues. So very first thing, I'm gonna solve the lab, but you should go and like read everything about it. And there are 2 research papers you will find in these things. Actually, there are 4. So you have to read it. You will can't able to understand the first because maybe you can, like you are smarter. So I can't able to understand anything in the first, like what is cache keys, what is cache buster, and all those things. So and use AI, and you don't have to ask anyone. So you can just use AI, and you can just cry in the corner, and then you will learn again and again, and that's how you will find a bug. So we are gonna solve this lab. So this is web cache poisoning with unkeyed header. So there's a header, and there's cache keys. If you don't know cache keys, and if you know, that's a good thing. So cache keys is something like which the server knows, like okay, we have to cache this one. So if there is a fray or someone like target knows, like okay, we have to target this, we have to loot this guy, okay. Something like this, like you have to eat something, and like you have to eat that, right? How do you know that? By smell, or maybe by taste, yeah, your taste buds works on it. So there's something like on it, and there are many keys, cache keys. It can be like on an extension one, it can be or the file headers, cookies. You will learn on this. So okay, there's too much of a talking in the introduction, so we will just solve it. And I've already started this. So this one is over on the root, yeah. So I have to find a header in this, and I've already find it, and I put this in the root. If I do a set, and you will see it's a hit. And so now we can say this cache is going, like cache is going here in this website, because we can see this in the response, this header X cache hit. If I put a cache buster in it, then I will see 1 2 3 cache buster, we will see miss. And if I see send it again, we will see hit. And there's an age, I think at this age of 30, they have written there somewhere. So if I keep on sending it, and after 30 seconds, this will come to the reset. Yeah. Oh, you can see it's actually here. So cache control is equals to like age equals 30, and we can't do anything on this. So that's how it works. So we have to be very fast when we are targeting it. And now we have to find a cache unkeyed header. So if I go to extension, you can try anything like brute forcing on this, and you can just guess it. So I will just guess header, and then you can do okay, and it will find out. Let's do it. I have already did it. I will find it on the issues. And if you are using this one, community one, then you can able to find it in the extension mark. This one guy, I forgot his name, but he's very like brilliant on cache issues. So there you go, like you'd find it. Like again, there is something in this one. If I go there and put it, so yeah, in the root file we can see like x forwarded host is working. Let's put this, we got the header. Now I will just put here, and then fray.xx, oh sorry, fray.com, and let's send it, and it will be hit. All right, now miss, now it will be hit here. Let's check fray, where's fray? All right, here it is. Now let's copy this one, because this is in JavaScript file. There will be an exploit server where we have to match this. Right now it is like this, and it's hello world. So we have to do one, or okay, no, document.cookie alert document.cookie. We love cookies, bro. All right, let's save it. And what's happening? So this is the my site, and it is just reflecting in the response. So what I can do, I can just execute a malicious script in it, which is document.cookie, right? So it can be really harmful. There's the impact of app cache pausing. So now I have to copy this, my exploit server URL, and not the full path because that's already in there. Okay, and let's send it. And I got a miss, and let's put it in a hit. Okay, now we can see this. And this is CB, what is this? CB123, nice. Let's go to our path and do CB123. And we can see here, no document.cookie, no cookies is there. Why? Because we are not logged in. So, which means it's working. Now we have to really exploit the whole site. I'm sorry, any real user, if you are visiting, you are done. Oh well, that's a lab. So we got hit in here. So alright, let's go back. Let's try this. Why is going 13? And okay, send this. Nothing comes here. We have to wait. Okay, miss, hit. Now it's our time. We are malicious user. Oh no, not malicious user, just an attacker. And that's the thing. And why it's not solved? Oh yeah, it's solved now. So now I've exploited the root. I mean the real site, and everyone, like any user who are visiting is done for. Are gonna see like this pop up, and they will be like, "Holy shit, it's got hacked." So next one lab is on the cookie one. We will see, and as I promised, in the end of all those videos, we are going to do the real world testing because that makes sense. Like everyone is like, "Oh, holy shit, you are just solving lab. Fuck you." All right. So just do in a real world. There are so many programs, man. I love this hacking. So okay, so I think we have wasted 7 minutes of. Oh no, that's a learning, bro. Okay, so that's it.